I want to show you how to get the pollen dust out of your car engine. I'm also working on a Toyota Corolla 2015. Alright, as you can see, you can get pollen dust all over, especially at this time of the year, which is spring. You will get trees like this that have a lot of flowers. However, these flowers are gone by now, and all it's throwing is pollen dust. So you will get this all over your car, and as you can see, I got here residue of that pollen dust all over the engine bay and some of the components of the car. Over here in the air filter, and this will be my fuse box. You can see I still got pollen dust all over the place. A lot of people like to do like a very in-deep cleaning. This is just like a quick fix, nothing really crazy. So what are you gonna need for this little project? You're gonna need a brush. A paint brush is alright, nothing fancy. So all you're gonna do is just take that dust out of the places that you see that the dust is very accumulated. So you see it goes out really fast. I'm not using any chemical, anything like that to clean, not for now. You gotta be very careful when you use those chemicals, especially if you're gonna spray that all over the place and you're gonna hit any electrical component of the car. You gotta be very careful with that. So this is an easy, quick, clean. And my car is relatively new, so it won't have too much dust accumulated. I also recommend doing this when the car is completely cool. So if you have your cool engine, just start using your brush to clean the car. When you finish dusting your car with a brush, all you need is like a rag or some sort of paper towel just to remove some of the dust that's still there. So now that you remove all the pollen dust, your car is ready to go.